At first, my congratulations and best wishes to my viewers and Facebook listeners, and on behalf of Rabeli Munira Degree College, teachers, colleagues, and others, etc. I shall discuss in front of you mango disease and control measures. At first, I shall discuss in front of you mango disease, causes of bud dropping in mango trees. তাহলে symptoms seen in mango trees due to attack of fruit weevil. How to control bud dropping in mango trees? First of all, I have to discuss bud dropping. Bud dropping means bud fall. During Falgun and Chaitra season, this is the spring season, when some birds seen in mango trees, different insects occur. In mango trees. Then bud dropping in mango trees. Then yield reduced in mango trees. So how to that is control bud dropping in mango trees. As soon as birds seen, we have to spray one insecticide and one fungicide. So one insecticide means imidacloprid, Imitaf 10 ml plus 10 milli water will be sprayed, first spray. And to control anthracnose of mango disease. Anthracnose means black spots is seen in mango. This is called anthracnose. To control anthracnose, we have to spray fungicide Dithane M45 3 gram per liter water. This is the first spray. What do you understand by first spray? First spray means two types of one is insecticide, one is fungicide. One is called imidacloprid and one is called Dithane M45. Will be sprayed in proper doses. Then mango marble size shaped or motor size shaped, then will be sprayed second time. Second time spray generally diazinon site 60 EC, when as like as motor grain shaped or marble size shaped. This is second spray. To control mango fruit weevil. In these cases, mango fruit weevil bore in the fruits, and different larva is found in mango, and that is very harmful for mango, and yield of mango is reduced gradually. And marketing of mango is not auspicious in our country. So we have to very conscious to mango disease control, and this is control measures. Second spray, specially diazinon 60 EC, 20 ml, 4 cork, 15 days interval. To be remain, generally diazinon 60 EC will be sprayed when mango marble shaped or motor like shaped. This is second spray to control mango fruit weevil. Besides, second spray Dithane M45 will be sprayed to control fungicide, fungus related disease. Second spray, Dithanen 45 or tilt will be sprayed. Now I shall discuss to be remain alive mango trees properly. 1 liter water, 1 gram urea solution will be sprayed to alive mango trees properly. So we have to very conscious how to control the fungicide, fungus and insecticide properly. That is very conscious among that is very harmful disease. Due to harmful disease, some measures will be taken in this purpose. Due to the purpose, the following measures will be taken or steps will be sprayed. So, favorite viewers and listeners or teachers and students of Rabi Ali Mohila Degree College, I am Sudipto Chandra Sinha, lecturer Agriculture Studies, Rabi Ali Mohila Degree College, Purvodhara Netrakona. I have to be conscious people mango disease. We have to know properly how to control mango disease properly. So any problem arises when we have to consult with agriculturists or agriculture expert how to control, how to prevention disease or insects properly in the spring season. Besides PGR, plant growth regulator, we means PGR. PGR means plant growth regulator. When fruit mango when sterility occurs in mango trees, when we see mango trees is sterile, bud or fruits are not occurred, then we have to take steps or measures. How many steps we have to take measures? This measures is called to spray PGR. We have to spray PGR, plant growth regulator, square company of square different PGR যেমন এস্টার, তারপরে ক্রপ প্লাস হ্যাকেম কোম্পানি হ্যাকেম 10 ml water mixed with 20 or 30 ml medicine, mixing will be sprayed, plant growth regulator during after flowering. After flowering, PGR will be sprayed due to remove sterility of mango trees. At last, mango is the king of fruits and very delicious, oftenly largely found in Rajshahi, Chapanabganj and Dinajpur and Rangpur district. Especially Mango Research Institute is Chapanabganj. Different research are taken in Chapanabganj. So we have heard mango disease. We have to know mango disease. So any problem arise, we have to contact with my mobile number 01753427259. Any agriculture related information or suggestions arises, we have to contact with me. My Facebook page কৃষি সমস্যা ও পরামর্শ or group. Any agriculture related suggestion, we have to deliver any suggestion or any problem. To solve this problem, we have to suggest how to control agricultural disease, agricultural problem. Listen to my viewers and Facebook wishers and teachers. Thanks a lot from on behalf of Rabieli Mohila Degree College and other relatives. Thank you all. So mango, I have learned mango disease properly, how to control these measures. In next session, I shall discuss other related problem or agriculture disease on behalf of you, in front of you. That I finished my class lecture in knowing. Congratulations all. Best of luck. Thank you.